FMEA, failure modes, and effects analysis. Workshop by Tonex. Effective FMEA, failure modes, and effects analysis. Workshop. This course is designed to provide participants with a thorough understanding of how to perform FMEAs to identify potential failure modes for a product or process, assess their impact on customer satisfaction, and prioritize the risks associated with these failures to mitigate them effectively. It covers both the foundational concepts of FMEA and its application in various fields tailored for a wide range of audiences, from beginners to experienced practitioners. By attending the Effective FMEA Workshop by Tonex, participants can significantly enhance their ability to identify and mitigate risks, leading to higher quality and reliability in their products and processes. Request more information. Learn more about course outlines, course delivery, certifications, and so on. Sign up as a group. Please visit Tonex website, www.tonex.com.